And now I am going to click on my Play Store. Here I am writing Termux. Now here you can see the Termux application, and you can see some of the screenshots related to the Termux terminal. And next, clicking on install, it gets downloading. And next click on open. And now we are in the terminal of Termux application. Here you can see some of the information like Wikipedia. And if you want to install any packages or search any packages, you need to just type pkg search query. Query is related to any package name. And next, installing of packages, you have to type pkg install and a package name. And if you want to upgrade the packages, just type pkg upgrade. And if you want any help from the Termux application, you just type pkg help. So in further videos, we are going to see how to hack the devices, how to do web scanning, and many more things. So that's all in this video. Thank you.